If you're looking for 20-inch wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 20-inch wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Westclox. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Crosse Technology. Number 3, by Present Time. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by YeYo. Number 5, by Westclox. Find these 20-inch wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by PierSurplus. Number 7, by Waltham. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by First Time. Number 9, by Marbel. Discover more 20-inch wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Decorative.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.